Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Motorola Razr 60. So first, scroll from the top and open the Wi-Fi settings. Then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Wait for your network to load. And after that, click this gear next to your Wi-Fi. Forget. Now try connecting back on. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.